The future is now, making bank with AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Technology King, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting opportunities out there, making money online with AI. Yep, that's right. You don't need to be a tech genius to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to create a steady income stream. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or even a full-time gig, AI can be your golden ticket. We're talking about real opportunities here, not some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about using cutting-edge tech to your advantage, and it's way more accessible than you might think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most effective ways to earn money using AI. We'll cover everything from selling AI-generated art to offering AI-driven services. So make sure to stick around to the end because I've got a bonus tip that you definitely don't want to miss. First up, let's talk about selling AI-generated art. This isn't about robots replacing artists, it's about giving you a new set of tools to express your creativity. With text-to-image AI software, you can create stunning, unique pieces of art with just a few clicks. Think about it. You can type in a description like a cyberpunk city skyline at sunset, with flying cars and neon signs, and the AI generates it for you. You can even specify the art style, like in the style of a vintage comic book or photorealistic with a dreamlike quality. The possibilities are literally endless. Whether it's abstract designs, fantasy landscapes, or custom portraits, you're not limited by your drawing skills but by your imagination. You can create art that reflects your unique vision, even if you've never picked up a paintbrush. And the best part? You can actually sell this art. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 are perfect for selling prints, phone cases, t-shirts, and other merchandise featuring your AI-generated designs. People are always looking for unique and eye-catching designs, and you can tap into that market without needing years of artistic training. And then, there's the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These are digital assets that are unique and can be bought and sold like any other piece of art. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible allow you to create and sell your AI-generated art as NFTs, potentially reaching a global audience of collectors and enthusiasts. The key here is to find your niche. What kind of art are you passionate about? What kind of audience do you want to reach? Once you have a good understanding of your target market, you can start creating art that resonates with them. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI art generators and styles to find what works best for you. And remember, the more unique and high quality your art is, the more likely you are to find buyers. The demand for digital art is booming right now, and with AI, you can be a part of it. Next up, let's explore how you can offer AI-driven services to clients. This is where things get really interesting. Whether you're a freelancer looking for new gigs or want to start an online business, AI tools can help you provide valuable services that people are willing to pay for, often in high demand. Think about all the tasks businesses need to do on a daily basis. Writing blog posts, creating social media content, managing customer service inquiries, analyzing data. The list goes on. And guess what? AI can automate or significantly speed up many of these tasks. For example, you can use AI-powered writing tools to generate high-quality content for blogs, websites, social media posts, and even video scripts. Like the one you're watching right now, just feed the AI some keywords or a brief outline, and it can churn out engaging and informative content in minutes. Content creation is a massive market, and businesses are always looking for ways to produce more content, faster, and more affordably. By offering AI-powered content creation services, you're positioning yourself as a valuable asset in a competitive market. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use AI to offer services like chatbot development. Create AI-powered chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries 24/7, freeing up businesses to focus on other tasks, data analysis and reporting. Use AI tools to analyze large data sets and generate insightful reports, helping businesses make better decisions. Personalized marketing campaigns. Create targeted marketing campaigns that are tailored to individual customers, increasing engagement and conversions. The key here is to identify a service that businesses need and then find the right AI tools to help you deliver that service more efficiently and affordably. Once you've mastered the tools, you can start marketing your services to potential clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find freelance gigs, while building a professional website and establishing a social media presence can help you attract clients directly. The beauty of offering AI-driven services is that you can often scale your business by taking on more clients or even building a team of freelancers to work with you. Alright, so you've seen how to use AI to create art and offer services. Now let's take it a step further and talk about building your own AI tools. I know what you're thinking. Wait, isn't that for like coding geniuses and tech wizards? And yeah, it definitely helps to have some technical skills. But here's the thing. It's becoming increasingly easier to develop AI solutions, even if you're not a coding pro. Platforms like Hugging Face and TensorFlow offer pre-trained AI models and user-friendly interfaces that allow you to build powerful AI tools without starting from scratch. Think of it like this. Instead of building a house from the ground up, you're using prefabricated walls and a set of instructions. It's still challenging, but way more manageable than you might think. So what kind of AI tools can you build? The possibilities are endless, but here are a few ideas to get your creative juices flowing. AI-powered writing assistants, image upscalers and enhancers, voice cloning software, and personalized learning apps. Once you have a working prototype of your AI tool, it's time to start thinking about how you're going to get it into the hands of users. You can sell it as a SaaS product, meaning users pay a recurring subscription fee to access your tool. Alternatively, you can offer it on platforms like the Google Workspace Marketplace, where users can easily discover and install your tool within their existing workflows. The beauty of this approach is that once your tool gains traction, it can generate a passive income stream, meaning you earn money while you sleep. Of course, building and launching a successful AI tool takes time, effort, and often some upfront investment. But if you're passionate about solving problems with AI and have a knack for identifying market needs, this could be the most rewarding path for you. Alright, now for that bonus tip I promised. Let's say you've been experimenting with AI, creating art, offering services, maybe even building your own tools. You've gained some valuable knowledge and experience, right? Well, why not share that knowledge and help others while you're at it? I'm talking about creating and selling online courses about AI. Remember, the more people understand and use AI, the bigger this opportunity becomes for everyone. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare have made it incredibly easy to package your knowledge into structured courses and reach a global audience of eager learners. People are hungry for information and skills that can help them thrive in this rapidly changing world, and AI is at the top of that list. You don't need to be an AI expert with a PhD to create a successful course. In fact, sometimes the most valuable courses are taught by people who are just a few steps ahead of their students, sharing their practical experience and insights. Here are a few ideas for AI-related courses you could create. How to create stunning AI-generated art. Even if you can't draw a straight line, the complete guide to offering AI-powered services as a freelancer. Build your first AI tool in 30 days. A step-by-step guide for beginners and AI for entrepreneurs. How to use AI to grow your business. See? There's a course idea for every level of expertise. The key is to identify a specific niche or problem you want to address, and then structure your course in a way that's engaging, informative, and actionable. Don't be afraid to get creative with your course format. You can include video lectures, downloadable resources, quizzes, assignments, and even one-on-one coaching sessions to provide a comprehensive learning experience. Online education is a booming industry, and it's only going to continue to grow as more people embrace the flexibility and accessibility of online learning. By creating and selling AI-related courses, you're not only creating a new income stream, but also establishing yourself as an authority in the field. So there you have it, several exciting ways to make money online with AI. Whether you're creating art, offering services, building tools, or teaching others, the opportunities are endless. AI is transforming the way we work and do business, and there's never been a better time to get involved. The key takeaway here is that you don't need to be a tech genius or a coding whiz to leverage the power of AI. With a little bit of creativity, some hard work, and a willingness to learn, you can start building your own AI-powered income stream today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. And if you have any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep innovating and stay creative.